Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at the count function. In the previous one, we looked at the sum formula. Here, we are going to be looking at the count. So, what does the count formula do? It will help you to find, okay, and now let me type in is equal to count. If you see, it counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So, whenever you want to count number of things in a particular range, that is when you would use the count formula. I'll show you first using the formulas bar. So that is, I'm under the formula ribbon. I go to insert function and I select count, click OK, and now you can put in the range. What do you want the count of? So in this case, I want the count of all of these. I select it and done. Click OK. It'll tell you that the count of these, the number of things in this range is 9. And you can also see the formula here. So let's try that formula once again. So is equal to, now we're going to type in the formula. Again, formulas begin with equal to, so equal to count. How do I select it? By pressing the tab key. I press the tab key. Now I press arrow once, up arrow once, and then control shift up arrow. It selects this range, and then I close the bracket, hit enter. I've got 9. Let's try the similar, or let me show this once again. So is equal to count. I press the tab key, up arrow once, and how do I select it? If I can do this also, just that you have to press the up arrow multiple times. So instead of doing that, count, up arrow once, holding down the shift key, control key, I press the up arrow. But if you see, what happens is it goes all the way here, right? So I let go of all the keys, then just holding down the shift key, I come one space down. Okay, hit enter and we've got the value. So that is the count function. Let's try the same formula here. Count, and if I select this, you will see we are ideally supposed to get 9, but we are going to get 0. The reason for that is because the count formula or function works only with numbers. It does not work with non-numerical characters. So for that, we will be using the count A formula. So there's a formula which is below count. How do I select that? I press the down arrow. So when I type in count, count, this is what I get. But the count A, this is what we want, that is down. So I press the down arrow, press the tab key, and again select the range of cells that I want to count. If I hit enter, now we've got the value. Please try the count formula here. Would you use the count A or count formula here? Please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. I've also shared this file for your reference. Download it and practice it.